Embark on a culinary journey that marries the lush flavors of the tropics with the comforting warmth of a hearty porridge. Introducing our delectable plantain porridge, a tantalizing fusion that brings together the natural sweetness of ripe plantains and the velvety richness of coconut milk. This dish is a celebration of wholesome ingredients, each playing a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. As you delve into each spoonful, you'll be transported to a tropical paradise where the gentle sway of palm trees meets the tantalizing aroma of ripe plantains. The creamy coconut milk weaves its magic, adding a luxurious texture and an unmistakable hint of exotic indulgence. This plantain porridge is not just a meal, it's a sensory experience that captures the essence of tropical bliss. Whether you're a culinary adventurer or simply seeking a comforting bowl of goodness, our coconut-infused plantain porridge promises to be a delight for your taste buds. Get ready to savor the perfect harmony of sweet, savory, and creamy notes that make this dish a true culinary masterpiece. Your taste buds are in for a treat as you embrace the tropical allure of this plantain porridge, crafted with love and inspired by the richness of nature's bounty. This coconut-infused plantain porridge not only captivates the senses with its tropical symphony of flavors, but also unfolds a tapestry of health benefits, as the ripe plantains contribute a wealth of essential nutrients, making each spoonful not just a culinary indulgence, but a wholesome nourishment for both body and soul. Here are 10 potential health benefits of plantain porridge with coconut milk. Rich in potassium. Plantains are a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper heart and muscle function, as well as regulating blood pressure. Dietary fiber. Both plantains and coconut milk contribute to the fiber content of the porridge, aiding in digestion, promoting a healthy gut, and preventing constipation. Vitamins A and C. Ripe plantains are rich in vitamins A and C, providing antioxidant support for the immune system and contributing to healthy skin and vision. Healthy fats from coconut milk. Coconut milk contains healthy fats, including medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can be beneficial for energy metabolism and may support weight management. Balanced macronutrients. The combination of plantains and coconut milk offers a balanced mix of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, providing sustained energy and satiety. Supports heart health. Potassium and the healthy fats in coconut milk contribute to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Boosts energy levels. The carbohydrates in plantains serve as a quick and sustained source of energy, making this porridge an excellent choice for fueling your day. Promotes bone health. Plantains contain minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut milk contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate conditions like arthritis. Maintains blood sugar levels. The fiber content in plantains can help regulate blood sugar levels, making this porridge a suitable option for those looking to manage their blood glucose. It's important to note that individual nutritional needs can vary, and while plantain porridge with coconut milk offers these potential health benefits, a balanced and varied diet is key to overall well-being. Always consider any dietary restrictions or health conditions you may have when incorporating new foods into your diet. As you savor the delightful combination of ripe plantains and velvety coconut milk in this indulgent coconut-infused plantain porridge, we hope you've experienced a symphony of tropical flavors that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your body with a myriad of health benefits. If you've enjoyed this culinary journey, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow food enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tantalizing recipes that bring the magic of the kitchen to your home. Join our channel, and let's continue to explore the world of delicious and nutritious creations together. Until next time, happy cooking, and thank you for being a part of our culinary adventure.